Y'all already know how we do it here. We get straight into it. So this is curly wig. Of course, you know this is from my collection, Brett's collection. I will have it in the description. 5x5. Let's do this. So I'm just finna, get into these curls. So we're gonna spray some. We're gonna put the tint and all that, and we're gonna go ahead and handle that. And yeah, we'll be back. Y'all say hey to my mama. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get into this. So I'm gonna go ahead and I had them forgot to put the scraps, attach them in the back. So we're gonna go ahead, clip them on. We're gonna put them on the third one. And then I'm just gonna put it on her head, make sure that it's feel comfortable and everything before I actually put the glue and everything and lay it down. So y'all just gonna see me adjust it a little bit, and then y'all gonna, see me ask her, is it okay? I don't know what she doing. I don't know what. Like, let me do this. Yeah. Like, the hell? Okay, so first you wanted this side. She the one actually started the part. Now, yeah. Now she talking about, oh, this ain't my good side. So we gonna go ahead and switch this up and flip it to the other side. So let's do this. My niece all in the back. She just can't sit still. I'm just getting everything out the way, positioning how I want it. Make sure that you ask your client, is everything okay? It's not, it's positioned right and nothing is out of place, because you don't want them to, oh, my head hurt, I need to be taken down. Is this something you can do to loosen it up? And all that. So all I'm going to do is just flip this back while I put some glue down. So I'm going to be using bold hole today. So I'm going to add one layer, and then I'm going to let that clear up, and then I'm going to add me another layer. And that's how we're going to do that. I guess she saw I was struggling, so she done had my sister go ahead and go get the the big one. Okay, I see you, mama. Let me get some of that. And I think at this point I was just wondering, like, why in the hell is we on the back porch? If my mom ain't having like 50 degrees in the house, I could be in there doing her hair. But no, we out here next to the goddamn pressure washer. So we're going to apply a second layer, let that dry, and then we're going to go ahead and place it down. So all you want to do is just pull the lace forward over the glue, and then you're going to comb it backwards to the back of your head, like wise. Not all the way to the back of your head, literally, but you know what I'm saying. To get that melt look. I had to go get the got to be, but we're going to go ahead and spray this up, tie it down, and then we're going to cut all this lace off, and then we're going to come back, and I'm going to style it and let y'all see how this came out. Thank you for watching. So I'm just making sure everything is laid where I want it to be laid at. On this process, when you're cutting off the lace, go slow, no rush. You don't want to cut anyone or anything. But let's get into this HD lace, like it's really melting in, and I ain't really did too much. And being that this isn't a full lace, I'm just gonna position my baby hairs to cover the little side tracks over there. Nothing too major, but it's not necessary. Then I'm gonna go in with She Balm. I think that's what it's called. She prefer this. I rather clear eco gel. But hey, whatever the client wants. And the more I swoop them eggs, the more it activate her into a new person. Let's get it. And as I prepare my hot comb, we're just gonna touch the front perimeter and then our part. But I kind of prefer to use Eco Clear Gel to do my edges because some kind of way, I think this just be too messy or too watery or something. But okay, anywho, so I think it came out. You still have to just put pretty good. This is the end result. So we still have to put curl activate on it and makeup down part.
What? And my silk infusion by you. No, that gray one. That one curling stuff too, yeah, but just put that one. What? Give me these.
And no, they ain't sponsoring. But if y'all want to, stop it.
Stop it.
Where you going?
Me? I'm never on to the video.
Man, some makeup on your eye.
Laces be looking.
How?
Wow. I'm not that girl.
But don't you put makeup on and it's gonna be working color? And it's gonna mess it up quicker?
Okay, Mom, for real, because it's still recording and I'm gonna get ready to cut it off because I'm gonna put that part right.
Don't look at the camera.
Result.
Look straight.
Oh yeah, you put your lashes